All right, everyone, welcome back to the platform Prince TV. If today is your first time, all you have to do is to subscribe, and then you make sure you put on your notification bell. Anytime we upload a video, you'll be the first person to be notified and know what the video is all about. All right, going straight to the point, I'm not going to waste time. I just want to still enlighten you guys or give you guys updates coming from the AIMS relating to the ready to the emergenza. You understand? I know many people don't chop credit because of this hereditary emergency. Now make it be like say e get someone be like say their body dey hot, they won't receive the money as it dey hot. All right, let me give you a little bit article coming from AIMS so that you guys we know that the hereditary emergency payment supposed to start today, but based on one or two delays, AIMS still a kind of like encroach everything to start by tomorrow. So that is why in my previous video, the last video I did about the hereditary emergency, I make you guys to understand that this hereditary emergency will start this week and then next week probably. You understand? So now listen to a little bit article coming from AIMS. You know, I have to inform you guys everything that happens so that when I go see how it they play. Now let's kick in without wasting time. All right, listen to the short article, very short. He said, emergency income 2021. Here are the dates. He said, as for the dates, there was unfortunately a bit of confusion. You understand? There is a little bit confusion coming from AIMS. He said, in fact, in the first day of August, the first applications were processed and the first result arrived. He said, complete with payment instruction. The payment should arrive on August 18, but a few days ago, they were postponed for no apparent reason to August 19. So guys, this is what I want you guys to understand, that you know those of them like say una they use all una mind till they wait for the hereditary emergency. At least starting from tomorrow, which is 19, there are people who are going to receive this hereditary emergency. So I want you guys to do me a favor. If you receive your own, please come and then testify under this platform so that I'll still give hope to those ones who be like say they no go receive that tomorrow. So that is just a little bit update coming from AIMS to let you guys know that the hereditary emergency was supposed to, the payment was supposed to kick off starting from today being 18, but due to some confusion coming from them, which they did not mention the reason why, and then they said that the payment of the hereditary emergency, the first payment of hereditary emergency, will not start as from tomorrow being 19. You understand? August 2021. So guys, it's a little bit update for you guys to understand these things. Now let me still bring the article back again once upon a time. Listen to what they said. He said, emergency income 2021. Here are the dates. As for the dates, there was unfortunately a bit of confusion. You understand? He said, in fact, in the first days of August, the first application were processed and the first result arrived. Complete with payment instructions, the payment should have arrived on August 18, but a few days ago, they were postponed for no apparent reason to August 19. You might understand? So that is just it, guys. It's a little bit video. I just have to tidy it up so that you guys can still know the status of the hereditary emergency. That is the payment of the hereditary emergency. That is why I said this week and next week there should be arriving of the payment of hereditary emergency. So guys, like I said before, if you receive tomorrow, if you are part of people who are going to receive tomorrow, just come and testify, and then we bring out your comments to light, to board, so that those ones who have not yet received, or people who will not be receiving that particular tomorrow, we still a kind of like get the hope that their own will be arriving. So that is just it, guys. I wish you all good luck, and then those ones they rejected, please try to contact AIMS and then know the reason why they really rejected you, because these people, they are human beings, they can make mistake. You understand? AIMS, people who type the computer, nobody is above mistake. Anything you see on net, anything you see on Google, it is people who created it, and then they are human beings, so they can make mistake. So if you don't have any reason why IMS have to reject your Reddito the Magenta. My advice for you is to go straight to the office of IMS and then know the reason why they rejected you. This is just a short video for you guys to know that the money will be pumping in starting from tomorrow. And if you receive, let us know. The next time again we'll be together. I remain your host here on this platform, Prince TV. Ciao.